Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into one of the best RSI indicators for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you have ever struggled with catching major reversals, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Okay, we all know that different traders swear by different tools, right? What is considered the best indicator really comes down to personal preference and trading style. Okay, some traders like clean, simple setups, others want indicators packed with extra features. There's no wrong answer, right? It's all about what works for you. Okay, now let's talk about the RSI. The relative strength index is actually one of the most versatile indicators out there. It's impressive because it doesn't just do one thing well. Okay, it does multiple things well. It tells you the trend direction, helps you spot overbought and oversold conditions, and even predicts potential reversals, right? Now, one reason traders love the RSI is because it mirrors price action so closely. Okay, in case you've forgotten what the RSI looks like, this is what the RSI looks like. Okay, it mirrors price action so closely. When price peaks, the RSI peaks. When price throws, the RSI follows right behind. So this tight relationship between price and RSI is what makes it so reliable. But here's where things get even more interesting, and that's divergences. Divergences occur when the RSI and price action start moving in opposite directions. So this could mean the price is forming, higher highs while the RSI is making lower highs. All right. So when you notice that price is forming perhaps higher highs, RSI forming lower highs, it means that a divergence is forming, right? In that case, we're going to call that a bearish divergence. All right. While if price is forming, lower lows, price is forming lower lows and you have the RSI forming higher lows, we call that a bullish divergence. Okay, so when you spot these divergences, it's a powerful signal that the reversal might be coming. Now, catching divergences manually is not always easy, especially for beginners, right? It takes a trained eye and experience to spot them consistently. And that's where this featured RSI tool steps in. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the RSI divergences indicator. It's a custom indicator. All right, so you will need to download this indicator from a third-party site, and after doing that, you add it to your indicators library, after which you will then be able to use it on your chart. Okay, but do not just download it from any random site. You can check out the MQL5 marketplace. If you don't find it there, then you can try out indicator spot. Just ensure that you are downloading it from a reputable site. Okay, and the indicator is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime to get it. Now, as you can see, this indicator plots the divergences automatically for us. Can you see that? The indicator plots it automatically, so you don't need to manually plot your divergences. It does it automatically for you. So if you are a complete beginner and maybe you do not have experience with divergences, all you just have to do is to understand how it works. Okay, you don't have to plot the divergences manually. That is the reason why this indicator is an effective one. So as you can see, this is the RSI divergence indicator. All right, it's a game changer, not just for beginners who are learning the ropes, but also for experienced traders who want to speed up their chart analysis, because instead of spending precious minutes hunting for divergences manually, this indicator does the heavy lifting for you, so you can stay focused on execution. You can see that the indicator automatically detects divergences for you. It draws the clear lines between relevant price points and corresponding indicator levels. You can see that right here on the candlestick chart, The indicator tells you with the aid of an arrow, right? With the aid of an arrow and of course a trend line, the indicator tells you, when price is, forming a divergence pattern. And then right here on the, indicator window, the indicator also plots, the divergence trend line on the RSI, the divergence trend line on the RSI alongside the arrow, telling you the direction. Okay, telling you the direction. Now let's just go back to see more examples. You can see there was another divergence signal here. This was a bearish divergence, and you can see the price sold. Okay, you can see there was actually another divergence signal here, right, and the price sold, right? So we can go on and on. Now the indicator is not perfect, okay, it's not 100% accurate. Okay, there is no indicator out there that is foolproof. However, as you can see, this RSI divergence indicator is quite an impressive and beneficial indicator, that you can consider adding to your trading toolkit. Okay, when it comes to picking the best RSI indicators for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, few tools offer this combination of simplicity, reliability, and time-saving features. Okay, so if you want to be more confident in spotting reversals and making smarter trades, this tool is an absolute, must-have. Well, just like I said before, every trader have their preferences. Right now, you might not consider this RSI indicator the best indicator for you, but if you have come across, better RSI indicators, you can consider sharing your thoughts with us in the comment section. If you know of any other RSI indicator that is actually, more advanced than this or more profitable than this, then you can consider sharing it with us in the comment section. Okay, now if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button. It helps a lot and tells me you want more content like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dive trading videos every single day. Meanwhile, I like to emphasize on the importance of risk management, because some traders might not really know exactly how important risk management is. It does not matter the kind of indicator you are using or the kind of strategy that you are using. If you are not able to manage your risk properly, you might end up losing over and over again. So make sure that you don't trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose. Make sure that you don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade, and ensure that you employ proper risk to reward ratios. Minimum of 1:2 is what I recommend. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and I'll catch you in the next video.